How to recognize and treat the symptoms of a nervous breakdown. Let's start by understanding what is a nervous breakdown. A nervous breakdown, or mental breakdown, is a period of severe mental distress. During this time, a person might find it hard to manage daily tasks. It can be caused by 1. Major life changes. 2. Lack of sleep. 3. Financial problems. 4. Abuse. 5. High stress levels or burnout. 6. A sudden tragedy. The term nervous breakdown isn't a medical diagnosis, but a way people describe severe stress symptoms that make it hard to cope with everyday life. Sometimes it might also indicate an underlying mental health condition like depression or anxiety. Symptoms of a nervous breakdown can vary, but they usually fall into 3 categories: physical, psychological, and behavioral. Psychological symptoms include 1. Persistent sadness or hopelessness. 2. Feelings of guilt. 3. Low energy or fatigue. 4. Loss of interest in activities. 5. Thoughts of suicide or self-harm. Physical symptoms include 1. Restlessness. 2. Irritability. 3. Clammy hands. 4. Dizziness. 5. Upset stomach. Behavioral symptoms include 1. Avoiding social functions. 2. Poor eating and sleeping habits. 3. Neglecting personal hygiene. 4. Skipping work or school. 5. Isolating oneself. Various factors can trigger a nervous breakdown, including 1. Recent injury or illness. 2. Traumatic events like a death in the family. 3. Persistent stress at work or school. 4. Relationship changes such as divorce. 5. Job loss or financial issues. 6. Exposure to violence or discrimination. 7. Major life changes like moving to a new place. How to get help. If you or someone you know is experiencing symptoms of a nervous breakdown, it's crucial to seek help. Here are some steps to take. 1. Contact a doctor. Make an appointment with a doctor or mental health professional. They can perform a physical exam and discuss any medications you're taking to rule out other causes. 2. Talk therapy. A doctor may recommend talk therapy, such as cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, which helps in identifying problematic thoughts and developing coping strategies. 3. Medications. In some cases, medications like antidepressants or anti-anxiety drugs may be prescribed to manage symptoms. 4. Lifestyle changes. Avoid stimulating beverages like caffeine and alcohol. Exercise regularly to reduce stress and improve sleep. Eat a balanced diet with plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables. Try to get at least 7 hours of sleep each night. Incorporate stress-reducing techniques such as yoga or meditation. 5. It's important to know when to seek immediate help. If you're in crisis, feeling suicidal, or thinking about self-harm, reach out immediately to the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline. Preventing a nervous breakdown involves managing stress effectively. Here are some practical strategies. 1. Time management. Organize your day by prioritizing tasks and setting realistic goals. Break tasks into smaller steps to make them more manageable. 2. Social support. Surround yourself with supportive friends and family. Sharing your feelings with someone you trust can alleviate stress. 3. Relaxation techniques. Practice relaxation methods such as deep breathing exercises, progressive muscle relaxation, or guided imagery. 4. Healthy hobbies. Engage in activities that you enjoy and that help you relax, such as reading, gardening, or painting. 5. Mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness practices and meditation can help you stay present and reduce anxiety. Apps like Headspace or Calm can be useful tools. 6. Limit screen time. Reduce exposure to screens, especially before bedtime. The blue light from screens can disrupt your sleep patterns. 7. Set boundaries. Learn to say no when necessary and set boundaries to protect your time and energy. It's okay to prioritize your well-being. Building resilience can help you cope with stress more effectively and prevent a nervous breakdown. Here are some tips. 1. Positive thinking. Focus on positive aspects of your life and practice gratitude. Keeping a gratitude journal can help shift your mindset. 2. Problem-solving skills. Develop problem-solving skills to address challenges as they arise. Break problems into smaller parts and tackle them step by step. 3. Flexibility. Be flexible and open to change. Adaptability can help you manage unexpected events more effectively. 4. Self-care. Make self-care a priority. Take time for yourself to relax and recharge, whether it's through a hobby, a bath, or a walk in nature. 5. Seek professional help. If stress becomes overwhelming, don't hesitate to seek help from a mental health professional. Therapy can provide tools and strategies for managing stress. Nutrition plays a significant role in mental health. Here are some dietary tips to support your well-being. 1. Balanced diet. Eat a balanced diet rich in whole grains, lean proteins, fruits, and vegetables. Avoid processed foods and sugary snacks. 2. Hydration. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Dehydration can affect your mood and energy levels. 3. Omega-3 fatty acids. Include sources of omega-3 fatty acids in your diet, such as salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts. Omega-3s are known to support brain health. 4. Limit caffeine and alcohol. Caffeine and alcohol can exacerbate anxiety and disrupt sleep. Limit your intake of these substances. 5. Sleep hygiene. Good sleep hygiene is crucial for mental health. Here are some tips to improve your sleep. 6. Consistent schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. 7. Relaxing bedtime routine. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine, such as reading or taking a warm bath, to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. 8. Comfortable sleep environment. Create a comfortable sleep environment by keeping your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. 9. Limit stimulants. Avoid caffeine, nicotine, and heavy meals close to bedtime. These can interfere with your ability to fall asleep. So here is the takeaway. A nervous breakdown isn't a formal medical diagnosis, but a term people use to describe overwhelming stress that disrupts daily life. If you think you're having a nervous breakdown, seek help from a doctor or mental health professional as soon as possible. They can help diagnose any underlying conditions and provide the necessary treatment and support to help you cope with stress in a healthier way. Remember, it's important to take care of your mental health just as you would your physical health. Don't hesitate to reach out for help if you need it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Watch more videos by clicking on this video right over here.